going to be exercises that are inspired by the burpee. Yes, I'm excited about it. You want to know why? When you do a burpee, you can do things like add in a push-up that make your muscles stronger. You can do things like jump at the end that make you be able to go really high like a superhero. Our exercises today will be 20 seconds of going as hard as you can and 10 seconds of resting and being calm. Let's go exercise! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah? Yeah! Get up! Get off the floor! Get off the couch! Get off anything else you're sitting on. The stairs. The ceiling. No, you can't sit on the ceiling. Unless you have really cool, like, Spider-Man abilities. Maybe then you can. Or your parents are scientists. Or secret agents. Yep, I got none of that. So, get up and let's do this! First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna just get our body moving. We're gonna reach up as high as we can. Bend your knees if you need to. Reach down, put your hands flat on the ground. Roll your body up, and reach up again. And repeat. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our hands back down on the ground where they already were and have our feet back, and we're going to bring our feet in and out and in and out and keep going for 20 seconds. 10 seconds break, and then we'll do it again, 20 seconds, and then a 10-second break. Ready? Go. All right, we're gonna hold the plank. You're gonna put your hands under your shoulders, feet are gonna go back, and you kind of have a line from your shoulders to your heels. Now, if this is really hard, you can do knee taps and put your knees down every other. Ready, and go. Our toes, and you're going to go up and down, up and down. And you can go like this. When we're down, we're going to put our arms back like this. When we're up, we're going to go like this. Your arms go down, you go up, like this in slow motion. Actually, just kidding. Everything that we do today, we're doing as fast as we can for 20 seconds, as long as you still do the right thing, yeah? Just like that. Next up, we are gonna add in the full burpee. So, your feet are under your hips. Your hands are gonna go down right by your feet. Flat on the ground. You're gonna either kick or step your feet back. So this is a step back, okay? Your other option is this, okay? Then you're gonna bring your feet back in. You can either step them in or jump them in. Just be careful. See how the mirror moved? You need to know your space. So what I might do is I might actually move up here or have my feet go that way, okay? And then, you got this, that's it. Oh, wait, just kidding. Now you're gonna come up. When you come up, you can explode and jump as high as you can, just like that. I did that time. 4, 5. If you did 3, 2, 1. Whatever your best is, 20 seconds, go. The last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do a push-up. And push-ups, you decide how you're gonna do it. You can either have you can do one set like this, with your hands going out. You can get on your knees or on your toes, okay? And then you can do your next set like this, with your hands closer, on your knees or on your toes, and go down and up, okay? You got this. I'm gonna do on my toes until I get tired, then go on my knees. All right, last exercise. Next set of push-ups. I'm gonna do like this, elbows in. Exercises for 20 seconds with a 10-second break, and then 20 seconds, and another 10-second break, and they were all inspired by the burpee. Okay, I'm excited about fitness because you know what? I like being healthy. I think it's okay. Do you think it's okay? Anyway, thanks for joining me today in class. See you next time. Bye for now. We'll see you another day.